In this video, we're going to look at how to network with cold leads, people you don't know. Here's what we'll be covering: identifying cold leads using LinkedIn, researching your leads and personalizing outreach with AI, finding the emails of your leads to reach out over email as well, using the ACA and ACO method to start conversations, offering free help packaged as a presentation, following up with leads, and providing value to build relationships. We first need to make a list of cold contacts using LinkedIn. Use the LinkedIn search function, focusing on people, and type in your current city to look for the following types of people: network administrator, tech recruiter, IT network manager, network engineer, and any alumni from your school that work in IT. Copy the Google Drive spreadsheet we provided to fill in the information for each person. Then you're going to work the leads, as people say. We're going to start from the top. When we reach out to them, we want to be personalized like we did with our warm leads. Remember, these people don't know us yet. We want to provide them with big value fast. We want to build trust with them, otherwise they won't even give us the time of day. To grab their attention and start building trust, we want to make it feel like a friend is reaching out to them. We want to act like they know us and personalize our message. To personalize the message, we're going to leverage the AI ChatGPT. Go to their LinkedIn, select More, and select Save to PDF. Go to ChatGPT and copy and paste the prompt below from Jeff Su into ChatGPT. You are an experienced career coach with over 20 years of experience. Based on the following LinkedIn profile, could you please generate a summary of this person's career accomplishments and highlight their top 3 achievements? List the 3 achievements on their separate headers. Please provide as much detail as possible, including relevant experiences, skills, and accomplishments that showcase the person's expertise in their field. Here's their profile. Then you're going to open their PDF, select all, copy, go to ChatGPT, and paste it below the prompt. Next, copy and paste this other prompt from Jeff Su, replacing name of person with a person you're trying to connect to. I'm a job seeker and I wish to connect with name of person over LinkedIn. He gets a lot of connection requests, so I want to stand out from the crowd. Based on his top 3 achievements, give me 3 practical and actionable ideas on how I can get name of person to accept a LinkedIn request from me. Prioritize unorthodox, lesser-known advice in your answer. Explain using detailed examples. Let's think step by step. Then, you'll utilize those suggestions from ChatGPT to help you with your first connection. You don't want to just try to connect on LinkedIn though. You should also try connecting using email. How? Go to hunter.io's domain search feature, find the company that your lead is working at, and look for that company's domain name that usually ends in either .com, .co, or .io, .net, .org, etc. The hunter.io tool will show you the format of email addresses for that domain. Then you just plug in your lead's name into that format. But what email should you send? You should send essentially the same message as your LinkedIn one, with a line letting them know that you also sent them a connect request on LinkedIn. But the email subject headline should look like it's coming from their friend. So here are a few example subject headlines you could use. Hey, just sent you a LinkedIn request. Hey, got a minute to chat about network admin stuff? Could use your advice on network admin stuff. Catch up and talk networking? So what if they don't respond? Wait 3 hours and try again. Still nothing? Wait a day and try one last time. After that, wait to go through the rest of your cold leads list over time, and then when you finish the list, start back at the top for follow-ups. When they do respond, remember that we're still following the same ACA/ACO strategy. The goal of this conversation is for you to offer free help or strategies that will show your value to them, so when they do have a job open up, they'll think of you. So when you get a response, acknowledge what they said, compliment their character traits, and then ask a question leading the conversation closer to your offer, which is the free help or strategies, which means the question should lead to asking them about any issues or projects they may have at work. Once you receive the next response, follow up with another acknowledgement, compliment, and then offer. As mentioned before, in this case, the offer is some free help or strategies to help them with whatever projects or issues they mentioned they're having at work. So how do you package up your offer? Make a quick Google slide presentation showing the problem they mentioned and how your suggestion or solution would help them. Slide 1, the problem or project they have. Slide 2, your proposed solution. Slide 3, how your proposed solution would solve the problem or help the project. Slide 4, how you would implement the solution or help. And slide 5, a link to your LinkedIn and your contact information. The reason why slide 5 has your contact information and a link to your LinkedIn profile is so that if they show anyone at work your slides, they can research your profile. Remember, don't tie the outcome of this person will definitely get me a job interview or referral. The goal isn't to get a referral. The goal is to professionally network and build relationships, which will increase the chances that some will naturally become referrals. As I mentioned in the last video, you should be curious about them. Be curious about their issues, goals, and projects, so you can use that information to offer free value. Once you've exhausted your list, create a new leads list by searching for people in the next town over from you. You can repeat this over and over until one of the leads does become a referral. Also, make sure that you make a note of the people that respond to you and continually check up with them every month or so, providing articles or news you think would help them out. That helps to keep you at the top of their mind. As a bonus tip, you can use the same method in person by joining IT conferences and workshops to network with people there using the same ACA/ACO method. So, to recap, make a list of co-leads using LinkedIn search, targeting the following roles: network admin, tech recruiter, IT network manager, network engineer. Research leads and personalized outreach using AI tools like ChatGPT. Connect both via LinkedIn and email, using hunter.io to find their email. Use friend-like email subject lines and follow up if there is no response. Use ACA and ACO method. Acknowledge, compliment, ask questions. Acknowledge, compliment, offer. As the offer, send a custom slide presentation to show your help and ideas. Exhaust your list, then expand your search area to the next town over. Keep following up and providing value to stay top of mind. Building new relationships takes time and effort, but can pay off with job referrals.